What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video is a little bit different. It's kind of going to be like one of the older videos that I had where essentially I unboxed and showed you guys my pre-built PC and told you if it was worth it and what the specs were and stuff like that. Today, we're getting ready to do the same thing, but it's going to be with the controller. Now, as you guys can see, we got ourselves a PlayStation logo. Either way it goes, we're gonna unbox this together. We're gonna find out in this video if this controller is worth the $200. So yeah, man, this controller is $200. As are most pro controllers, you're gonna be paying a pretty penny for any of them to give you that slight advantage that they talk about. Now, I do wanna state this. I've already previously owned a scuff controller that I had to return because it was a little bit of an issue, but it was just that one controller. I'm not shitting on scuff whatsoever. They make really good controllers. But the one that I'm replacing now is the Astros C40 TR, if I'm not mistaken. This pro controller, as you guys can see, it had the back paddles on the back. I got to lock and choose whether or not I wanted to push the triggers all the way down, and then I get to lock it, and now I just have like the quick triggers and everything. This controller, great, $200. And if my analogs ever started to experience any type of stick drift, then it was as simple as taking the controller apart and replacing the analogs for about $20. So I've had this controller for almost 4 years, and now I'm just now replacing it. The only reason we are replacing it because the square button here is starting to go bad. Like, it doesn't work as well. Now X, circle, and triangle, they work all pretty well, but square was going bad. I was gonna start needing to get new analogs and everything like that, and then just you know, wear and tear as a older controller playing a lot of games. So now we're gonna see if we can do some of the same things with the PlayStation controller. All right, y'all, so I do want to apologize, man. This is the best overhead looking shot that I can give you guys currently, man. I don't have one of the traditional overhead cameras that'll be above me and stuff, so you know, we balling on a budget over here, so hopefully this is good enough for y'all. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Oh, it's one of the boxes that opens up like this. It doesn't open up all the way. Oh, it's got a strong smell to it. I'm one of those weirdos. I don't know if you guys are too, but I'm one of the weirdos that like to smell new things when you get them. And this is, I can tell automatically, this is not one of the new things. I smelled it. I did it. It's not bad, actually. It's not that bad. But let's go ahead and unzip it. Oh, before we do, as y'all can see, that's the little back part that you guys have seen probably like 10, 15 different videos talking about where the charger can go in. Is it Velcro? It's Velcro, yo. I don't know if you heard that. Plug that thing in there, and they claim that if you charging it, it won't just rip itself out if you accidentally drop it. So we gon' hopefully never have to put that to the test, but they say it's a thing. Look at y'all. We got the cables at the top. Looks like that's all it is down here. What is this? Oh, something that is holding it together. So we got the cables up there, controller here. We got the extra pads right here that we can switch through. You know we are. And then this looks to be, this is the charger lock. And now I'm not even gonna waste y'all time, man. Let's go ahead. I've already wasted enough. This thing is nice. Oh, the grips on the back right here, nice. I'm liking that so far. It's a little grippy right here. Not as good as it is on the inside of the actual controller. As y'all can already see, it's got the holes for me to put the paddles in there. Then we can lock. Right now it's regular. It's 3 levels to it. So this is the second level. And this is the last one. You can hear the difference. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's got the 3 little levels on there that you can switch between, and you can, you know, change how quick and responsive you want this to be on your shooters. So for anybody that's out there that's a fan of COD, Apex, or Fort, this might be the controller for you. We're gonna find out today. It's got the Sony logo, and this is what the controller looks like up front. So I don't know how to feel about the gloss, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, so that's the little overview, I guess, of it. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna set the controller up and try and get it the way I like, and we're gonna go ahead and get into some gameplay. So hope you guys did enjoy that little segment. If you were here just for that, thank you for stopping by. You should think about liking the video and sharing it with a friend, and I will give a final review at the end of the video what I think of the controller. So if you want to stick around for that, definitely do that. Yeah, we're gonna see if this is worth it, right? We're gonna find out in this video today how it performs. So yeah, with all that, let's get right into the gameplay. Oh yes, I'm feeling a little dangerous. I think I can hit my wingman shots right now. I'm feeling it just a little bit. Oh, and then I get a 3-0. Okay, hold on. We got the loadout. Now, what I will say, y'all, is I might need to reset my, you know, controller, my ADS sensitivity. There we go. Sensitivity, all that stuff might need to be changed because, like I said, this one, the analog is definitely different from what I'm used to on the Astro. So I might need to slow it down a little bit. Let's go. Yeah, no, so far, y'all, for real, this thing is really handling good. Oh. That's up here, right? Yep. Got her. Woo! Nice shot. Yeah, no way. I'm about to let you come back. Coming. I'm feeling it. I think changing the stuff around really helped.
Thanks.
Come on. Ah, ah. There we go.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh.
Now to the heart of the matter.
That's not my own.
No. No. One right there. Nice. Shoot. Oh God, please tell me we're safe. Anybody over here? Nope. Wait.
Contact with rival.
Full team. Shoot. Oh God. Oh God. Oh shit.
Your veil.
Can't see with all that smoke.
Grab what you need and let's go.
2 other squads remain.
Target there.
Reloading.
We're all outside the ring and a wall of death
Shields
is
are
coming
recharged.
our way.
Oh god. Oh god.
Drawing back the veil.
Give me a sec. Recharging shields.
No, get from back there.
I'm returning.
Oh. Last team.
Good shit, GG.
Let's go! Now that's a good game. Not bad from everybody, man. That's a good team game. Well, everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope that you guys did enjoy. And my final review on the controller is, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man, it feels great. It feels like there's no latency on it, anything like that. It feels really good to use. The paddles took a little bit of getting used to. I still might switch to the other ones and see if I like those, but I like the fact that I even have the option to be able to switch between one or the other. So that's nice. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and rate this controller solid 9 out of 10. And one of the issues being that I'm not a huge fan of these little pieces right here, man, the FNs. I understand that they're useful, they're helpful and everything like that for remapping, but I'm not a huge fan of them. I feel like I hit them a lot, and if they did something else, then I'd kind of be screwed. But everything else on the controller, man, I mean, solid controller. Is it worth the $200? If you are somebody who loves to play competitive gaming and you consider yourself a competitive gamer, your damn self, and you really want to like kind of step up your level of playing a shooter game, then I recommend you get this controller. But if you are somebody and you know for a fact you're more of a casual, you kind of just play for fun, every now and then you like to turn up and there's no real issue with your controller, then stay with that, bro. In my opinion, is it for the casuals? Probably. If you really got the money like that, screw it. Get the controller. But I don't think it's a necessity. It's great though. It is great to have. Hey, if you need you need a pro controller, just the one. But that's gonna do it for the video, man. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end. It was a little bit of a longer video, and that's all right. You know, every now and then we're gonna push one of those out. So yeah, love you guys, man, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.